Is your accountant actually helping your business or just collecting a paycheck? What happens when they're late, unresponsive, or just flat out don't get your business? In this video, we're going over the most common complaints business owners have about their accountants and what those red flags might be trying to tell you. By the end, you'll know exactly what a good accountant should be doing, whether your current one is measuring up, and what to avoid if you're thinking about making a switch. Here's the thing. Most accountants are great with numbers, but that doesn't mean they're great at supporting you. And when you're running a business, you don't just need someone to do the books. You need a partner, someone you trust, someone who shows up when it matters. So if your current accountant is missing the mark, you're not alone. Let's look at 9 of the most common problems business owners run into. Problem number 1, they're always late. You take the time out of your day to meet, and they don't even show up on time, or they cancel, or they reschedule again. It doesn't just waste time. It tells you you're not a priority. If you're showing up for the finances and they're not, that's a big red flag. Problem number 2, you can't reach them. If you're constantly leaving voicemails, sending emails into the void, or waiting days for a reply, that's not a relationship. That's a wall. A good accountant should be accessible and not charge you extra just to answer your questions. Problem number 3, they don't understand your business. This one's huge. If your accountant doesn't get how your business actually works, how can they give you good advice? Worse, if they don't ask, that's just not a gap in communication, that's a gap in value. Problem number 4, you're overpaying for underdelivery. We all know accounting isn't cheap, but you should know what you're getting for what you pay. If you're paying premium rates and only getting basic service, or you don't even know what they're doing each month, that's a problem. Problem number 5, you don't understand their advice. If every conversation sounds like a foreign language, that's not on you. True professionals know how to explain complex things in simple terms. If they can't break it down, they don't really understand it. Or worse, they don't respect you enough to try. Problem number 6, they say you can contact them, but you can't. Some accountants love to say they're available, but try calling them with a time-sensitive question. If it always goes to voicemail and you don't hear back for days, if ever, you're not actually supported. Problem 7, you feel too small for them. Some firms chase big fish. If you're a small business, you may feel like less a priority to them, or like they're doing a favor for you just by working with you. But here's the truth. There are accounting firms that focus only on small business, and they're a much better fit. Problem 8, you're not sure what they actually do. If you're paying a few hundred or a few thousand a month and still asking, wait, what exactly am I getting? That's a problem. Even if you don't understand the mechanics of accounting, you should have a clear picture of the services being delivered and how they benefit your business. Problem 9, you feel like they should be doing more. This one ties it all together. If you're constantly thinking, shouldn't they be helping me with X? They probably should. Maybe they never bring up tax strategy. Maybe they never offer advice unless you ask. Maybe you've outgrown them. Either way, it's worth asking the question, are they keeping up with my business or holding it back? If 1 or 2 of these issues sound familiar, it might be time to speak up. If 5 or 6 do, that's a sign your account isn't meeting the standard and your business deserves better. You don't need to stay stuck or guess what to do next. If you want a clear picture of what kind of accounting support actually fits your business, try our Ideal Accounting Solution quiz. It's free and takes just a minute. If you're wondering what a better firm might cost, there's a pricing calculator linked below too. And if you're ready to have a real conversation about what your needs are, you can schedule a consultation with someone who knows how to support growing businesses. Or if you're not quite there yet, start with our Small Business Accounting Kit. It's a free resource that walks you through the must-knows. And finally, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. We post weekly videos for business owners who are ready to stop guessing and start building smarter. Thanks for watching. And remember, if your accountant is starting to feel like a problem, they probably are.